Bombela Stadium, it's full-time Betway Premiership, Stellenbosch versus TS Galaxy. Stellenbosch nil, TS Galaxy 2. And I'm not alone in Babezwane, la Babezwane, utos opinion yakhe to game namuhla Babezwane. Sibingelele, your take into a game namuhla.
Ngibingelele kubo bonke labasibukele namhlanje sejabula kakhulu ukubuya umdlalo weTS Galaxy neStellenbosch. I'd like to say that iStellenbosch idlalile kakhulu kodwa TS Galaxy took their chances and they missed also more opportunities lamaningi kakhulu, of which score sakhona it should have been more, should have made it. And then also I'd like to say number 27 where TS Galaxy uyadlala lo mfana lwana funa pick up amasokisi akhe kakhulu. He's a very good player. I'm very proud of him. Akaphakamise amasokisi kakhulu.
Lomdlali performance yabafana namhlanje siyayibona, they coming into this game after having played a couple of games la bangahambi kahle. What were you expecting from the boys when they were coming back to play back home la eMbombela Stadium after a long run?
In actual fact, I was afraid because still is sehlupha. I thought ukuthi manje still is vele so ihlupha ilokuzana TS Galaxy, but unfortunately nabo banisela abafana, they showed ukuthi manje they can play football and they were the best today. The best team won today. Yeah.
Rodman Yami, Steve Parker namhla uyafika lana, they're trying to take away the 3 points away from you Mphathi. You're also licking your wounds wakhiphile ku Khalling Black Label Mphathi. Ungakayidlalanga nala ekhaya Mphathi. Nina ma fans with TS Galaxy, how does that make you feel?
It's football. Football rolls. There is nothing you can do about it. There must be a winner and a loser, and you cannot expect Usmanje every time you win a game. So you must lose sometimes. If you make mistakes, then the mistakes now they are gonna go back to you again and hit you back.
Babezwane, any aspects of the game do you believe that TS Galaxy need to fix, maybe to say, okay, siyavuma 3 point namhla siyitholile. Magoli ayithu angenile namuhla. What aspects of the game do you believe TS Galaxy abahambe bokhinika lapho nalapho ke so batokhona ukuthola ama results ngendlela lenyuke kakhulu Mphathi bato baliqembele ngathinzeki kakhulu esizini le?
Abalungise kakhulu i-front line yabo ne-midfield yabo. I-back line I don't have a problem with it. No goalkeeper wabo is fine. They don't have a problem, but i-midfield yabo ayiqine kakhulu. Then nama scoring opportunities that they get, they must use them. Bangadlali ngama chances because they lose more opportunities if they are going to do that.
Babezwane, sibonge kakhulu namhla.
Ngibonge kakhulu nami.